YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. Help a brother out. Let's do this. We're going to talk about some Toshi Coin today. But before we get into it, guys, we got to talk about the overall state of the market, guys. We got to talk about the overall state of the market. Before we can do that, guys, I got to let you know, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J, okay? Just do my best at telling you guys these charts, but I'm not a professional, guys, and you guys shouldn't listen to me. But let's talk about some Bitcoin today. You guys can see Bitcoin looking super volatile, even at the time of this video, starting to break down at 94. Man, couldn't get out the intro fast enough to watch Bitcoin do this, but look, Bitcoin's starting to break down, creating this big red candle. This is what we were concerned about, this rejection the first time off of this one-day chart that I was telling you guys about in my last video. That's what I've been telling you guys about for like maybe the past couple videos. But we were rejected on this day, this Bybit news, right? 99K. I was telling you guys how big of a rejection that was, and that if we could not break back up and retest that again, that was going to be even worse. And so again, now we're starting to break down. Let's look at some of these more micro time intervals and kind of see what's going on. As you guys can see, we created that rising wedge, right? That's what we were talking about. We hit 99K. And then we dropped down, and I was saying, you know, we got to be careful here because this could be a bear flag, right? And what happened? This thing is starting to create lower highs, breaking down, rejecting off these resistances. And again, just not looking good. Bitcoin now trying to create some kind of support down here all the way at 94. But this is selling quick, man. Sheesh, we got to hold this 94 support, guys. If we drop below, too far below this 94, that will probably bring a lot of fear into the market because this will be like the lowest that we've been in a very long time, right? We rejected off of this and we kind of fell into this range, but if we drop down a little bit lower, then this will be the lowest we've been in a cool minute. So if that happens, we possibly could see some more sell-off happen in the market. As you guys can see, Bitcoin starting to create that bear flag again, right? That flagpole right here, and then that flag. Man, I'm telling you, that Bybit hack, whatever. Some people speculating on that. I don't know. Right now, they're saying it's a hack. I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys think that that Bybit hack was a legit thing, or what happened? Because this was such a key resistance right here at this 99K, and it's just like to see us reject off of that now, and to be creating this bear flag today. I mean, this is what we didn't want. It was a reality. I mean, either way, right? The chart was already breaking down, but we were trying to rally back, and we were saying that, you know, if we were able to get this 99, we were able to break up into that 100 range, maybe we could see some FOMO start coming back into the market. But again, we start breaking down, and again, now we're sitting in this nasty bearish case scenario. Kind of reminds me of what happened with FTX, right? Which is pretty interesting. But also look at some of these more macro charts too with Bitcoin. It kind of maybe starting to look like we might fall in line with more like what happened here, right? Where we create this consolidation and we create this, again, still creating this flag, but it consolidates out. It takes, you know, a little bit of time. It's a couple months, guys. So if Bitcoin does decide it wants to correct too far down, then this correction can take us a little bit of time to see this thing start turning around. In my opinion, I feel like it would probably start turning around maybe around like April or May, early June, probably like summertime. It just needs time to cool off more than likely. But again, the market can always turn around, right? Maybe we could find some support at 94. It's a lot less likely now, again, that we just have broken down again now off of 96, right? We were trying to stay really above 98, and we got that. We reclaimed that. We got that 99. It was so big. Hurts my feelings, bro. I'm telling you, this hurt my feelings right here because everything was looking good. Everything from a technical standpoint, amazing. And this is just how it is, guys. Sometimes it's just like that. Like from a technical standpoint, you could just be like, all right, everything's on course. Everything's good. And then they hit you with that craziness. And that's what drops the market. And that's why I say, is the game fair, guys? I don't know. Let's talk about Toshi. Those you guys can see Toshi coming in at 256 million market cap, 544,000 holders holding Toshi, holding pretty strong today, only down 5%. Not doing bad when you consider the rest of the market is getting absolutely hammered right now. A lot of coins getting hit hard, guys, very hard, right? If you look at Solana, Solana's down 8%, and Solana is at a 75 billion market cap, and Toshi's down less than that. Toshi's down only 5%. Toshi's at 256 million, which lets me know that people are holding their Toshi better than they're holding their Solana, right? Interesting. Solana is actually like diving off the cliff. And this is what I told you guys. I said people are going to get tired of these Solana meme coins if they keep running all these scams. It's crazy, guys. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the Binance Smart Chain. It really does. It's starting to get really bad. If you look at this chart for Solana, this 1 year chart, yikes. Wow. Did Pump Fund ruin Solana, guys? I want to know. I never participated in Pump Fund. I don't like those projects. I really don't like to buy stuff off of Pump Fund. I try to look for things that have volume, guys. That's why, again, I like Toshi. There's a lot of reasons, again, why I like Toshi. One, it's listed on Coinbase. I don't have to worry about this being like a poo-poo rug pull coin because, again, they are listed on credible exchanges. They got a Kraken exchange also. This coin is fully audited and good enough to get through and be listed on Coinbase. You know what I mean? So, that makes me feel good about this coin, but a lot of these other Solana coins, man, they're just, I don't know. They're not good. They're just poo coins. But we did know that Solana has seen a lot of price action this year, but man, how far is this thing going to drop? Because this is looking pretty nasty on Solana right now. And I do think that it's because just all the Pump Fund stuff, all the bearish news about Solana left and right with scams. It's just too many scams on Solana. We literally, I used to make videos, guys, where I talk about like the top coin and stuff like that. And I'm looking through all these Solana contracts to see like what coins have like good volume and what coins have good following and stuff. And it just got to a point where it was like almost every single coin, guys, scam. And I'm telling you, these guys are they're still going to like meme coins, but they're going to be so burnt out on Solana if they keep getting rug pulled. And the fact that I would say like probably like 99% of people that are trading cryptocurrency don't know how to check a smart contract on Solana. It just lets me know that these guys are not going to be in the market for very long because they're going to get totally obliterated. And then they're going to either quit cryptocurrency or they're going to be coming back looking for coins like Doge and SHIB and Toshi. But maybe they'll be smart and they'll find the ones that are still at a smaller market cap that are on Coinbase. I talk about them on this channel, guys, because I feel like they'll do well in future markets. But again, if Bitcoin decides it wants to correct down more, I'm just going to be looking for better entry points on these coins that, again, are proven right now, or coins that I feel like have a good chance of getting listed on big exchanges based off of, again, market cap to holder ratios, things that, again, that we talk about on this channel, guys. It's how we caught Toshi so early. I actually caught Toshi like 5-6 months ago. And we were talking about this thing, and sure enough, we watched it grow insanely and holders jump up in market cap. Guys, we were talking about Toshi in the tens of millions on this channel. So again, super early on this project. Watch it all shoot all the way up to 800 million. Not the first time we've done that. We've done that with a lot of coins, guys. But again, I've seen how these kind of coins play out. And I just like the volume that Toshi Coins had, even though it's down right now, even though, honestly, if we break down below this resistance level, it's probably going to go down even more because, again, Bitcoin is correcting, right? So the whole market's going to correct. But again, I just like the way that Toshi Coin has been reacting. Even on this 3-day chart, we're still holding above this counter channel right here. And that helps me feel good because, again, we're not just like capitulating. We're not just like falling off of a cliff here. This coin has been like pretty much moving in a 300 million range for like the past 3 weeks, and then we're just dropping down pretty much as of the past couple of days into this 250 range right here. So honestly, again, down 5%, Solana down like gonna be down like 10% in a minute. I mean, where would you rather have your money? Would you rather have your money in I don't know. I mean, if you would have asked me before, I would have been like, man, you know, Solana is doing great, is looking great. But again, just the scams that are going on Solana, it's just very concerning. And it leads me to wonder too, like with Ethereum's volume low and with Solana having so many scams, is Base the way? Is Base the way? Or also, what about Sui? What about Sui Chain also? Sui Chain, oh, Sui's also down like 9%, but this is a lot more volatile. I could understand this again. Sui's at 9 billion though. It's down like 8-9%. Again, Toshi 256 million, only down 5%. This coin's performing great, guys. Anybody that thinks that Toshi is performing insanely bad during this market chop, man, it's really not. But at the same time, we got to be careful here because we got shoulder, head, shoulder here, and we got to pay attention to this 4-hour chart. And we got to pay attention to probably this 2. Yeah, the 2, we're touching right on that bottom Keltner channel. We got to pay attention to that. Very key support right now for Toshi. With this market doing what it's doing. Let's see this 1-hour chart looking like we're breaking down off of some level. We got some levels of support down here as well too, though. At this lower level down here. We got some support, boys. We haven't fully broken down, but we do got to pay attention again that this 2-hour chart, we are watching it play out literally right now, and this candle's probably about to close. Look at that. Big red, right? Bitcoin seeing that rejection, seeing that volatility, dropping down to 94, right? What's going to happen, guys? I want to know. You let me know in the comment section below. We're going to keep covering it, guys, because we cover it all the time. But I want to know what you guys think. Let me know. How low do you guys think that Bitcoin's going to go? Some people saying Bitcoin might even go as low as like 80K. Some people are just saying it's going to 0. And then some people are like, it's going to the moon, bro. It's going to the moon. So I want to know what you guys think. As a matter of fact, let's see what these guys think, right? Some people say the price drops around $93 and then pumps to $97. That's ready for the new update on Bitcoin. Everybody wants to know. Everybody's got a opinion. I told you guys, I feel like the bull cycle's intact until 92.8. I feel like we're still in this bull cycle. But do we consolidate around in this range? We've done it before, guys. We've consolidated around in this range before. I'm sorry. We consolidated around in this range before in March. And that's why I say, are we going to do this again? Because look, we did this here, right? We consolidated, but we were like also some sell-off, longs, shorts. Everybody freaking out. Crypto portfolios bloody red. Everybody's thinking that this thing's going to go down. Creates a head and shoulders right here, right? Everybody like, oh, look, shoulder, head, shoulder. We're going to go down. Top. It's the top. And then look, we end up creating this wedge, right? Bull flag, wedge. I was covering it every day on my channel. I was like, this is a bull flag and a wedge. It looks like it's going to run up and go crazy. It was like right before the election. And I was like, this is looking insane right now, right? Everything lining up perfectly. Trump was running his whole campaign around cryptocurrency, still is running his whole campaign around cryptocurrency, by the way, talking about making America like the crypto capital, crypto reserves, all these things. I'd be paying attention to this type of news also right now, and not just eating every fudge sandwich that people are serving online, because there's going to be a lot of people, guys, that are going to be talking about this is the end of cryptocurrency and so dumb. I don't know why I got involved in this, and my grandma is not talking to me anymore and all this stuff. Like, what the? Because why? They over leveraged. They treated it like it was a parlay instead of an investment. Like, dude, some people treat this space like an investment, and they put their money in places where they're cool letting it grow and letting it compound and then putting money in and watching their money go up and down. They don't get emotional about it. Some people play this like a weekend parlay on the football game or something, where they're like, man, I'm just gonna throw like all my rent on this, and either it's gonna hit or it's not gonna hit. And it's like, bro, that is not good. Every cycle people do crazy things because they over leverage in the market. And I cannot stress enough the importance of like only spend money that you can afford to lose, because nothing's guaranteed. But again, if you're investing in things that you like have belief in, then as long as you're not overspending, then why would you get emotional about, like, if I made $100 every month and I put $10 into the market, not $100, not I made $100, I got to put $100, not I made $100, I had to put $70. Like if I made $100 and I put $10 in the market, and then every time it goes a little bit red, I just get that paycheck, I put another $10. I get that paycheck, I put another $10. Get that paycheck, I put another $10. Then when the market recovers, which Bitcoin logarithmic, as you guys could see, it has kind of done pretty well over time. So when or if, right? Or if, because I always have to say that, or if the market recovers, there's always a chance it can't, right? Then maybe you might actually be up in your investments instead of just investing all your money at the top and then getting emotional as soon as we see a little consolidation, when that's what happens at the top. At the top, usually we start seeing a little bit of consolidation, and then sometimes we may see a full-blown correction. Right now, in my opinion, we have not fully broken down yet. It was a big rejection that we had when we hit 99, but we haven't fully broken down yet. You will know. You will know how it looks when we fully broke it down, because it will feel like this, buddy, like this. Okay, that's how it will feel, and then it will go like that, and then go like that. Okay, so that's how that will feel. And how do you think that this was? This was not good, but we had a clear blow off top, and that's the thing that we have not had, in my opinion, on the cycle. We haven't had a clear blow off top. I just don't feel like this is the top of our cycle. I do feel like correction is necessary. I told you guys 92.8 is my bottom. I feel like this thing will go to, if it's gonna remain intact to some of these models that I'm paying attention to, and if it breaks below, guess what, guys? We'll cover it anyway. So, but you can see every cycle that we've had, we had a blow off top, right? This was a blow off top right here. We consolidated down. We have this little fake run out, and then we had this blow off top, right? This right here, blow off top. This right here was kind of like a blow off top right here, kind of, right? 2021. And then look at us now, right? I just don't feel like we have seen a clear blow off top yet. Maybe we could see a little consolidation, but I think that we got to see more like of a blow off top. And I feel like with Trump as our president, with the regulation changing, with all these companies that are getting involved, it really does remind me of like 2020, 2021. It reminds me of last cycle, but it also reminds me of that 2016. It reminds me of like 2016, 2017 time frame. It reminds me of this as well. So this is my fourth cycle in crypto, guys. My fourth cycle. So this is not my first or my second or my third. My tolerance is different. My patience is different. My point of view is different. I'm not the same trader as when I got started. And guess what, guys? If you stay in cryptocurrency for long enough and you don't have a microwave mentality, then yours won't be the same either after you've been in this game for long enough. You will grow. We're always growing as traders. Your risk tolerance is getting better. I'm become a way more conservative trader. The reason why I tell you guys don't overinvest money and do things like that and make irresponsible decisions is because I've done that in my past. You know, everybody has done that. We've all made these mistakes, guys. That's why we tell you, and it's hard not to do it. It's hard not to buy the coin that's running up so much and you got to buy it because you're feeling the FOMO and stuff like that. You have to have the presence of mind to know that these type of corrections will happen. That if you like Toshi Coin so much and you watch it run up all the way to 800 million and you wanted it then you should want it even more now that it's dropped all the way down to 256, right? But some people, again, they only want to buy things once they start going crazy. They don't look for things that are on sale. Now that I've been in this game for longer, I just look for things that are on sale. Again, Fear Greed Index just showing me that this is just right now. As of right now, this is just looking like a zone of accumulation, right? Look at us in this orange, right? Every time we drop down into this orange, you can see kind of what happens with our price, right? And we're in this orange. It's just showing me like, yeah, things are looking bad. You know, maybe I might want to do half now. And then if we even drop down further, because again, Bitcoin can drop down further, maybe do another half then, you know, and I'm not spending 100% of my paycheck doing this. I'm spending like maybe 10, 20%, 20% if I really feel good that we're close to a bottom. You know, do you see how my mentality would be different than yours if you're like spending 100% of your rent at a sketchy Bitcoin and you don't know what's going to happen? You see how like I could probably be less emotional, and that could help me actually be longer on projects, because when you put money that you can't afford to lose and you watch it go down a little bit, you make emotional decisions because you think, again, oh, the market's going to go down. And in reality, guys, again, it can go down. I'm telling you right now. I told you in the past couple of videos that we need to be paying attention to this zone. We're paying attention to this zone, critical support, key support. I'm letting you guys know that we got to be watching right now, because things are looking very volatile. People are saying, look, it's looking manipulated. People again are speculating, right? There's a lot of speculation going on, but one thing about Bitcoin manipulation, man, goes both ways. So again, anything can happen all the time. Right now, things are looking like we might see opportunities to get better positions in the market on projects that you're long on. Again, I'm not telling you to go out and buy Toshi. I'm not telling you to go out and buy any particular coin in general. I'm just saying, like, the times to buy things is not at the top. The time to buy things that you like is when they're on sale, and there's a lot of stuff on sale right now. So if you like cryptocurrency, then maybe, you know, use these opportunities as opportunities instead of seeing this as, oh, the market's down and my portfolio is down and this and that is that. Like, yeah, things go up and down. Goes up and down all the time, guys. This is not even a significant correction yet, guys. Again, some of you guys, this is your first cycle, which is amazing. I'm so glad that you guys found this space. This is a space that's changed my life. It's completely changed my life, guys. It's changed my life, man, to the point where I get emotional about Bitcoin. When Bitcoin hit 100K, guy, I got emotional, bro. When Bitcoin hit 50K, it was like an emotional experience, because I literally have been making over 1,600 videos on YouTube, guys, talking about Bitcoin, talking about cryptocurrency, believing in this space and watching it doing what it's doing. And honestly, guys, even if it drops down, just like it always does, guys, guess what? I'm still going to talk about it. I'm still going to be long on this space. I'm still going to be Crypto J. I'm still going to be breaking down contracts. I'm still going to be doing all these things that I always do, guys. You know why? Because I believe in this space. I believe in Bitcoin. I know that this space is going to be volatile, because I know that our total market cap's only at $3.1 trillion. And the total Forex market cap is at $4.2 quadrillion. So this market has a lot of growing and potential that it can do if you believe in the space. If you believe even that we can get a little piece of that market share of that Forex market. And, you know, with all this regulation and all this stuff going on right now, again, I just feel like I feel very fortunate. I don't know about you guys. Some of you guys, maybe you just feel like it's the end of the world. You just feel like the cards are stacked against you. But honestly, on these dips, I just feel really lucky to be in this space. And I just feel like it's great. I see every cycle, guys. People get emotional around these times. They leave the market at these times. And then there gets to be a new wave of people, an even bigger wave of people. Those people sometimes come back. Sometimes they don't come back. Sometimes they go on to do other things. And honestly, guys, some of those people should go on to do other things, because this is not going to be for everybody. It's really not. A lot of people in this game are going to lose. I'll tell you right now. A lot of people are going to lose, guys, because they do not have patience. They do not invest in things that they have any belief in. They don't have any kinds of exit strategies. They just don't have any plan of what they're going to do. And they don't look for good entry points. It's just a mess, right? They don't know what kind of trader they are. They think that they're a swing trader. They think that they're like a scalper or something, or like a day trader. And they're over here day trading when they don't know how to day trade. They don't know how to do nothing. So that's why I always tell you guys, like, you know, if you're new to crypto and stuff like that, like, go use a paper wallet, go practice on a paper account, You know, just maybe have some crypto. If you really want to invest so bad, have some crypto. But if you want to do the swing trade stuff and all that kind of stuff and leverage trading and stuff like that, you could really liquidate your account on Kraken or Binance really quick if you don't know what you're doing. So what I would do is I would go on, well, you got to join my Patreon because I have a lot of tips and tricks on what you guys can do and websites and resources and stuff like that. But there's websites and resources that you guys can use to trade on paper wallets, and they are worth it if you're just getting started in crypto. If you're really trying to trade and learn how to make money, if you want to be a scalper, if you want to be a day trader, or just know like, oh, I'm just a long-term trader, I'm just somebody who dollar cost averages in. Do you think that people who are day trading and swing trading Bitcoin would have just thought that they would be better off buying and dollar cost averaging into it? I think the people that have been dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin over time now, they're like millionaires. Like people that have been dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin since like 2012 and stuff like that, these guys have a ton of money just because they, instead of selling at the bottom, they actually just buy it up at the bottom. They just keep buying these bottoms, and it's called dollar cost average. That's why I told you guys when the market was doing what it's doing, I said, oh, I don't think that this is the market top, but I do think that we might see a little correction. I think that I want to start dollar cost averaging. Right. And even guess what? When the market does have that big drop, which maybe it will have it soon, or maybe that big drop will come later on in the year, then guess what's going to happen? I'm going to buy that too, homie, because why? I'm Crypto J and I'm going to be long in this space. I'm going to be in this space. When people come in this space and then leave this space and come back in this space, guess who's going to be here? Crypto J, still talking about it every day. Right. So my faith did not waver at all. I'm still long on this space. I know it's going to be volatile. Some of the stuff that's dumping today, honestly, seeing Solana dump, it makes me feel more bullish about Toshi because how many people, when Bitcoin does decide and wants to pump, are going to want to play the Solana game again when you see all the stuff that's going on the Solana chain? I feel like people are starting to wake up. They're looking for coins that are going to do well. They're looking for coins that have been vetted and proven and audited and are not scams. People are tired of getting scammed, bro. You work so hard to get your money, you make gains in meme coins, and then you go put them into Solana coin and you lose them all because you don't know how to check a contract and stuff like that. Like, what the? And guys, it's not hard to check a contract, by the way. I've made plenty of videos, even right here on YouTube. They're not even on Patreon. They're right here on YouTube. But if you are looking for that ground floor training, if you're looking for that, if you're brand new to crypto and you're looking to take your game to the next level, or if you have been in crypto for a long time and you're just looking to trade as a team, or you want to get more insight and stuff like that on the market, then I suggest that you join us over on Patreon because we have a group over there on Telegram. We talk about trending projects and stuff like that. At the end of the day, you have to do your own research. It's not a place for financial advice, but it is a place where you can find coins to maybe add to your watch list, to pay attention to coins that are trending over and over again on Dex Tools and Dex Screen and stuff like that. We keep track of that stuff. Also, we let you guys know about airdrops and stuff like that. I don't know any other group that does that. Even my free Telegram group, guys, I have a free Telegram group too. If you guys want the free Telegram group, you just got to share this video over on X and then tag at JTalksCrypto. I will share with you guys my free Telegram group. Everybody who does that will be able to join, guys. But even that group, guys, ton of value in that group. You could check contracts in there. You plug your contract in, your Solana contract, and it'll scan the contract. It'll let you know everything that you need to be cautious of in that contract, how much the dev owns, if anybody is sniping the trade, if the dev is selling on you, if he's already sold out, if it's a community takeover token. It'll tell you everything that you need to know about the token, and it's about 90% accurate. You do still need to use a couple other tools that, again, we talk about on this channel. But ultimately, guys, you just always got to be doing your own research on this stuff. It's super important. Anyway, this video is already like 30 minutes long. I appreciate you guys taking the time out. Hit that subscribe button. Again, we are on a mission, guys, to hit 100,000 subscribers. I can't do it without you. I'm trying to make it to Colombia, guys. I'm still trying to go to Medellin. I'm trying to go to Pereira, and it's gonna be amazing, guys. We're gonna make crypto great, guys, and we're gonna do it just in time for the meme coin cycle. Hopefully, right? We can time this perfectly. We'll see. I mean, I can't time it. I can't control the market. Some people think I could control Bitcoin and these trillions of dollars, but I can't, guys. I just cover it and I just give you guys my take on it. But again, guys, not a financial advisor, not a professional. It's just entertainment, and I'm just the homie. But I want to see you guys win. So I want to know what you guys are buying to. Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, catch you guys next video. Peace.